Class 4 Computer. Okay, now let's start. We'll start from chapter 3, that is for your essay 2. Editing in MS Word. Okay, now see. We have already learnt about MS Word in the previous classes. So MS Word is a popular computer program developed by Microsoft. We know how to start, open, save as and edit a Word document. Now let us learn how to do some basic editing in MS Word document. Now see, how will you change something? Editing means to change something. Now see, editing a document. Any change made in a document is called editing. Any change that you have to made in document is known as editing. If you want to make any change, we have to select the text before changing it. So before changing or editing anything, you have to select the part that you want to edit or change. Now see, how will you select? Now selecting the text. There are a variety of methods to select the text in MS Word. You can select the text either by a mouse or by a keyboard. Okay. Now, the various selection procedures are described below. Now see, if you want to edit a word, what will you do? Double click a word. A sentence, press and hold the control key and click anywhere on the sentence. A block of text, click the beginning of the text, press and hold the shift key and click at the end of the text. A paragraph, triple click anywhere in the paragraph to select the paragraph. Entire document, the whole document, press and hold the control key and click anywhere in the selection area. Okay, this is for the entire document. So this for a word, sentence, block of text, paragraph, and for the entire document. These are the things. How will you select? Now, deleting the text. Deleting text is very easy and simple in MS Word. Okay, now see how. Using backspace and delete key, you can delete a text. Now see. The backspace and delete key are used to erase text in a Word document. Okay, the backspace and delete key. The backspace key erases the text to the left of the insertion, from the left side of the cursor point, one character at a time, and the delete key erases the text from the right of the cursor. So, the backspace will erase from the left side and the delete key will erase the text from the right side of the cursor. Okay. So, backspace and delete key. Now, undo command. Now, this is a very useful feature. The undo command lets you to cancel the last change made in a document. If you want to change something, you have to change the document. The last thing what you have done, you have to change in the document. Then you have to use the undo command. If you make a change or a mistake that you do not want, you have to simply undo your action. You have to select the undo command and undo action now. Using the undo command, click the undo button located on the quick access toolbar. So this is the undo command. This sign is the undo command. Now, next we'll do redo. Next is redo command. This is the redo command. This sign. To repeat or do again any command. Okay. Repeat or redo command allow you to repeat the last action. You can repeat, you can do it again, the last action. The use of this command can save a lot of time as you create your document. Okay, it can save a lot of time as you create a document. Now, how will you redo command use? Click the redo button on quick access toolbar. This is the sign, you have to click here. Okay, moving the text. How will you move the text? Now see, MS Words allow you to move a block of text, a group, sentence, paragraph, page, document, or graphics. Now see, how will you move the text now? Using cut and paste. Select a part of the text you want to move. Click the home tab in the clipboard group. Select the cut button. You can also use Ctrl X. Now the text will disappear from the document. You have to cut, means you have to remove, that is. So if you do select the cut button and if you use Ctrl X, the text will disappear. Then text will remove. Move the position, the cursor where you want to place the text. Now you have to move the position of the cursor when you want to place the text. From that place it will come to the next place. Now see. Click the paste button in the clipboard group on the home tab. You can also press Ctrl V to paste it. Using copy and paste now. You can create a duplicate copy of the text. The copy feature is MS Word copies or duplicates the text. The step of how to duplicate, to copy and paste the text are as follow. How will you duplicate it? Make it the same copy. Now see. Select the part of the text that you want to copy. First you have to select. Next, select the copy button in the clipboard group under the home tab and press Ctrl+C key for the copy. Now place the cursor at the place where the text need to be copied, where you want to keep the copy, okay, portion. You place the cursor there. Click the paste button in the clipboard group under the home tab. You can press Ctrl+V keys also. Now, next is drag and drop. The drag and drop method of moving the text allows you to move the selected text using your mouse. Okay, you will drag and drop it by using the what? By using, we can use it we can do it by using a mouse. This method is convenient for moving the text from one location to another within a document. Okay, from one place to another within a document. That this method is very easy, convenient, means very suitable. It is also used for moving the text to another document. Now, the step to use drag and drop technique are as follows. How will you drag and drop? Now see, select the text you wish to move. First you have to select the text that you wish to move. Place the mouse pointer anywhere on the selected text without clicking. Click and hold the left mouse button until the insertion point change into a white arrow. You have to click and hold it until the mouse, until the point, insertion point from the arrow changes into white arrow. The point changes into white arrow. When you are dragging the text, the mouse pointer changes to a box with a small white arrow. When you are dragging, it will change into a small white arrow. When you reach the place in the document where you want to move the text, release the mouse button. Release the mouse button, and that will be, it will be drag and dropped. It will be placed there. Okay. So this is the process for today. This much. Thank you.